Now, let's see how many ways we can run and access our Laravel application. So, the first way that we can access our Laravel application is by running the WAMP server. Once the WAMP server has been started, then we can go to our browser, and in the browser we can type localhost slash our project name, in my case e-commerce, then slash public, and enter. Now we can see our application in here. So this is my application because I have just installed it. It's showing like this. Then another method that we can use to run and access our application is using the Laravel itself by typing php artisan serve, and when we press enter, it will generate a URL for us, and if we hold the control key and click the link, again it will open the browser and it will show us the home page of our application. And finally, the third and my personal favorite one is running the application using Composer Run Dev, because it will run multiple commands in the background which will help us a lot in our development. So let's press enter. Now it also generated a link for us, same as previous one. So let's hold the control and click this link. Now it will open our browser in this the correct way, because running composer run dev, it will run all these commands in the background. So with one command we can run npm run dev, php artisan serve, q listen, and all the required commands that we need for our development. So for my personal favorite one is using composer run dev.